an invasion of alien creatures,
An outbreak of UFO sightings that has never been rivaled.
visits by alien craft or alien creatures in British Columbia. It seems as though we're under some sort of invasion.
The two events established a link between UFOs and Bigfoot that had never been dreamed of.
It was very unusual enough to see these glowing eyes staring at him in the window. It is very apparent that there are some in the Bigfoot field that don't want to hear about the UFO phenomenon being involved, and a lot of people with UFOs don't want to hear about the Bigfoot phenomenon being involved.
Stan Gordon's next investigation found a link that no one had anticipated. The strangest stories in American UFO history.